On this tutorial, I will teach you about the remote connection using the VNC viewer. So in this tutorial, I will teach you connecting Windows and Linux machine. So on the Windows machine, on our previous tutorial, I already teach you how to do the setting of static IP address. So to verify that, I'll just click on CMD, command prompt, then ipconfig here. So on this Windows machine, the IP address of this is 192.168.80.2. Okay. On the Linux machine, I will also show you the static IP address.
Go.
On the Linux machine, I will show you how to see the static IP address. Just click on Start and Terminal and click on ifconfig. Okay, and just click on and see the static IP address of the Ubuntu Linux 192.168.80.211. Now I already have the two connection, so I will now first teach you on the Windows machine. Okay, now let's begin the remote connection for the Ubuntu Linux. I already have the IP address of the Linux 192.168.80.211. So now I will just install VNC viewer on this Windows machine. To download the VNC viewer, just click on the web browser, then just type it VNC viewer. Okay, then just click on the real VNC and download the VNC viewer. After downloading the VNC viewer, just click on the VNC viewer. Okay, just click on this one. Now, just input your Ubuntu Linux IP address. So I will just input 192.168.80.211. Okay. Then just click on connect. Now it will ask me to put a password for this one. So I'll just put a password. Okay, now as you can see, I'm now connected to the Linux machine. Okay. Now I will teach you how to do it on the Ubuntu Linux machine to set up the remote control viewer.
Go.
Okay. Now I'm here at the Ubuntu Linux. To do the remote control sharing, just click on Start. Then just type in remote. Here you see the desktop sharing. I'll just click it. Okay. So as you can see, I just check the allow other user to view your desktop. So I'll just check that, and I'll just put a password. So it has a password. Then just click on close. Now the Ubuntu Linux is ready for remote control.